we are back. Another episode of Under 2 Minutes. We are continuing on with Pathfinder. In today's Pathfinder mode, I'm going to show you is minus front. So this mode is essentially a hole punch. What it does is it takes that top object that is overlapping another shape and it punches that object through. So let me show you what I mean here. If I overlap this triangle on the square, you can see that this triangle is in the top layer. It is above the square over here. So when I highlight both, you can see this is the overlapping area. Now, if I go to my Pathfinder with both selected, I can click that minus front and it hole punches that triangle through the square. So now this can't be selected. There is nothing here. It has essentially hole punched that triangle through this square. Now we can do the opposite as well. If I adjust these layers and make that square the top layer, now it's going to hole punch this square through the triangle. So as you can see, highlight minus front, and now this is all we have left of that triangle. It has now hole punched it, and that is the minus front tool with Pathfinder.